Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So as you know, days ago I cut my hair. Yes, I cut my hair, I trimmed it all off, and this is the first time I'm ever had hair this short. This is the first time I will ever go on the road looking like this. I'm a bit skeptical. I don't know what people may think, but who cares? I don't care. I think I look good. Whatever. Today I'm going to style my hair because I have to go on the road and I want to take that bold step and wear my natural fro. So you know, set off to look good. I cannot just leave it as usual, you know. I have to do it good so that people say, yeah, she can rock her natural hair. So I'm just gonna style it today. And before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you don't watch the big chop, you know, go on over and watch the big chop. I'm gonna put it in the link above and check my other videos, you know, check my other videos. Nessa's World. Alright, so today I'm going to use the black castor oil hair food because I don't have the oil right now, it's finished. And then I'm going to use the African shea butter. No, that's what because I just washed my hair, so there's nothing in my hair. And then after that I'm going to use the Eco Styler gel, which is going to help to activate the curls. And we all know we need a little Oceana to slit down our edges, right? And the tools I'll use is my sponge. I don't even know what they call it, but this sponge here, yes, I finally got it. And a tail comb just to put apart, and a brush to slick my edges, and that's all you need today. So first I'm going to get some of my castor oil, and it looks like this. It's like shea butter. So I'm going to use this much. The good thing about short hair, you don't need a lot of products. Rub it so it get like oily. Yeah. And I'm going to massage it in my hair. And then I'm going to get my shea butter and use this much. I think this is too much. Oh, yeah, whatever. I'm going to use this much. Rub it just as much. And I'm going to massage it all over my head. The Eco Styler gel. So I'm gonna put a generous amount and put it all over. Try to get almost everything because you want that curls to be activated, you know, and your hair is gonna get wet because the gel and the oil, the shea butter and everything is going to give it that white look, but when it dry you won't see that. And as you can see, like the curl is already activating. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. So now I'm just going to find the part that I want. I'm going to use this Oceana to slit down my part. It's new because the other one is finished. So now I'm just gonna wrap the hair guys. We use the big side first. And you rub it one direction. So you don't press down all the way down because you want it to, you know, curl. So you just rub until you get that curl that you want. One direction. Sometimes you will forget which direction you're going, especially if you change hand. Wow, these curls at the back are activated, yeah. Look at that. Alright, so now I'm going to use a small one now to tighten what we have did right here. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom up on it, but have a look for yourself. Sorry about the lighting guys, my ring light broke and I'm going to pick up one. I think next week it will be here, so you get better quality next time. Sorry. Yeah, so that's it. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't you forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know, and hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know if this hairstyle fit me. Let me know if it fit me, and you know, if you have any inspiration, you know, hit me up in the comments down below. Tell me what kind of hairstyle you want me to do with this short hair. I think I'm going to line it up a bit. I don't know, because my intention is to grow it, not to keep it short. But let's see, maybe for the first I'll just line it up and just make it look good, and then take time grow. I don't know, but I kind of like it. You know, it's very easy to manage and I can feel the breeze in my hair, you know. Bye.